About 2 months ago, one of my feelings came up and I felt so panicked. If you are in a similar situation, I would love to share how I healed my tooth naturally without any additional feeling. Hello my beautiful friend, welcome back to Otokucha Life. I am Mana and on this channel we learn how to be more beautiful and healthy from the inside out. If you want to be more beautiful, elegant and healthy, please subscribe and join our best high vibration community. Today, I am so excited to share with you 7 practical tips on how I healed my tooth naturally without any additional fillings or any dental procedure and how you can do it too, especially if you're in a similar situation. I got you, I'm going to help you. One evening, I was flossing as usual, and the floss couldn't go between my molars, and I felt the feeling. One of my feelings just came off, and I felt so worried, panicked, and shocked because I also felt the kind of pain and hurt in the area. So I booked the dentist on the next day to get filled again. And to this day actually I learned and studied that teeth can heal. We often think that teeth is the only part that cannot heal like a skin, but it is actually not true. Our body is so magical and it will heal, even though teeth. So with this information, I went to the dentist. At the dentist, I was told that I need to do an X-ray for more checking if it's deep, and they only had aluminum fillings, which I didn't want to. And if I want to have a composite filling, I had to prove that I have a skin allergy for aluminum in the skin clinic, and I thought it's just a waste of my time and energy. And all he did was to scare me. So I decided not to do anything about it, and I told him I'm just gonna leave, and he was very shocked. I still felt some pain in the area, and to be honest, I was still worried. I did a bunch of research that teeth can heal, but I was not sure about once drilled teeth can heal or not. After the research, I didn't see anything about it, so I decided to go for a walk in nature and do some meditation. Since I was shocked by the pain and what dentist told me and scared me, I was not even hungry, so I decided to do fast on the day. Then I bought some parsley on the way home because I knew from the books that parsley is great for teeth, and the magic started to happen. After coming back home, I was researching again that if one's drilled teeth can heal or not, but I didn't find anything, so I decided to watch some videos from Mr. Blue Corona, and his story really inspired me a lot. Even though I was fasting on the day, I brushed my teeth with just water. It was so scary, but I felt so much better than the night before. On the next day, I read Mr. Marcus Roscran's this book, which I highly recommend, and I decided to focus on having more healing, positive energy instead of worrying. In the morning, I started being in the sun for more vitamin D because it is great for bone and teeth. And I started sending love and gratitude for every teeth and imagining its healing with the sun power. Then later I decided to have some green smoothies I thought fruits could trigger because of the sugar, which is actually great for human body. But I wanted to focus on healing for this, so I focused on greens, and guess what, my goddess friend? The pain was almost gone at the time. And following days, I was still afraid with the frosting, so I froze other every areas except the area, and I could also eat fruits with no problem. Now I am going to introduce you to 7 practices that I did to let go of the pain and get my tooth filled naturally. I am sure that those tips will definitely help your teeth as well. The most important thing is fasting. I think fasting is the best way to cure anything. If you look at wild animals, when they get sick, they fast. We can truly learn a lot from nature and wild animals. Fasting is very powerful for healing. The second practice, as I mentioned, is to be in the sun even for 10 to 15 minutes and absorb all the beautiful energy and power from the sun. Vitamin D is great for bone and teeth. The third practice is to imagine and visualize that your tooth or teeth is getting better and better. Especially in the morning, I did healing meditation and send love and gratitude to each tooth. We can actually sense the beautiful energy just doing like this. Love your hands for 30 seconds. And later open and close for again 30 seconds. And if you like do this, you can feel it between your hands, this amazing sensation. And I did like this, like imagining and visualizing and healing teeth. Everything is energy and it works. It's so magical. If you are interested in thank you body meditation, especially for the night, I actually made it for you in the past, so please check the link from here. The first practice is to remember the body has super intelligence. It can hear what is said and we have the power. Everything is possible. This practice is very inspired by Mr. Ru, and I am putting the link in the description box. The fifth practice is to have more greens than fruits. Greens and herbs, especially parsley and celeries, are great for teeth. Usually, why tooth decay occur or happen is that not because fruits, sugar, or greens. It's just bacteria in your mouth that loves processed sugar, wheat, or gluten. So fruits can be okay, but just in case, I didn't want to trigger the sugar, and I also avoided lemon and citrus fruits, especially for the beginning, and have more greens all the time. Greens have the superpower to heal. The sixth practice is to develop a mindful, elegant dental care rituals. How many of us actually take an exquisite, mindful brushing teeth rituals, focusing only on teeth? Before brushing my teeth, I did coconut oil pulling for 20 minutes to pull out all the bacteria, and then I flossed. Then I used water and a little baking soda to brush my teeth. Also kept sending love and gratitude while brushing. And after it's done, I switched my mouth with hydrogen peroxide. This is also what I learned from Mr. Marcus, that hydrogen peroxide helps to remove all the bacteria in your mouth. I am not sure if you can use it if you have aluminum fillings, but if you can, please do it carefully. I also did water flossing, which is also great. You can check out all of my favorite dental care videos and great dental tools, such as this is my favorite David's dental floss, which is super amazing, baking soda, and my favorite brand coconut oil from the link in the description box. The final practice is to have a faith. Believe and remember your teeth will heal. Especially we were conditioned to think teeth cannot heal, but it does. We are designed to be useful, happy, and super healthy when we take care of our body with true deep love. Have you ever done those? This is also what I learned from Mr. Merkers. Those tools help you to accelerate the healing process, and I highly recommend them. It is so life-changing. After practicing all the 7 steps, and after about 3 weeks, for more spiritual reasons, I decided to do a water fasting with just an apple for 5 days. And when I was about to end the fasting, the miracle happened. I heard from my heart or soul that, Mana, you can floss now. And I was still scared if it's gonna be hurt again, but I tried. And guess what, my goddess friend? I could floss just like before, nothing happened. And I checked the area and the hole was gone. It was filled. It actually filled naturally. We think when we get cavities, we are told to drill. But as I am learning from especially pro-vegan people, pioneers, and other like-minded people and medical medium, these are living. They will heal themselves. We sometimes forget that all the body parts are all necessary and working perfectly together for us unless when we get scar or the cavities. But let's keep sending love and gratitude every single day. We are not designed to lose our teeth as we grow. We are designed to be happy and healthy, and we want to show more love and gratitude every single time, forever to experience this beautiful human experience in this gifted life. Life is a gift and precious. Let's treat our body the best every single day. I hope this video helped you, and if you have amazing miracle healing story, please share it with us. I am so excited to hear from you. If you need any guidance or help through transitioning to raw vegan living food lifestyle or developing elegant mindset, I am always with you. Please check our best course, How to Be Your True Self, as well. You can also check my website for more details. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I always love you and appreciate you. Until next time, stay happy and be positive. Have a fabulous day, my goddess friend.